I'm hoping this will be like a core memory for students, the rest of their lives. I think they'll hopefully remember their day at the State House and meeting all these fantastic people and history nerds.
It's really fun. I've never been nowhere like this before. We learned a lot about the wars, and there's a bunch of fun activities.
I hope they then become little tiny disciples for not necessarily what this commission's doing, but what the state is trying to do to, again, preserve and carry forward what we are, who we are, how we are, and what does that mean today and into the future.
Even when I had the privilege of delivering the Trackhorn hats and the t-shirts to a couple of the schools, just seeing their bright, shiny faces, it was like, yes, this is what it's all about.
It's one of my favorite subjects. And I also like the history of wars and stuff. I like learning about them.
Somewhere they're going to be driving and they're going to see something and they're going to say, I sat in that guy's seat. I got to make a decision on a bill. I got to play a flute from the Catawba Nation. And you know what? They're going to take that and they're going to give it to their kids, and their kids are going to say, I remember my parents talking about this. You're talking 3 generations being impacted by these 250 kids right here. And to be able to be a part of that, gold.